There's so much of emphasis on optics these days, and too much build around it. And the point which Jan Sudhakarji said, few years back, I was in staff college teaching, and Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, ex-president of India, one of the most respected thinkers of India. I was sitting with him, and I asked him exactly, sir, hum superpower kab banenge? He says, do we want to be a superpower? We have to uplift. That time he said about 35 to 40 crore Indians above poverty line. हमने health देना है, education देना है, roads. Our country, if the people of the country, well-being of the people of the country is ensured, country automatically becomes secure. So between trying to become a muscular power, that kind of a thing, and lifting people above poverty line, we have huge issues, and we are on the path. There is absolutely no doubt. But there are, milestones ahead, and the whole country has to stand together. For that, we need a lot of investment, R&D. Our IITs must come up now and produce things. And let's not, while we import technology from outside, let's also incubate our own technology. And I have a lot of faith in the Indian entrepreneur. I have a lot of faith in young India, and I'm sure we are on that path. But finally, India will rise if common people of India find a call, and we are able to provide jobs and health and a good living conditions to every Indian. Then India would have arrived. Thank you.